Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hazzy Code. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can open another activity or a new activity using on button click event. So for this, let's design our activity and create another new activity which we are going to use on button click event. So let's get a button and connect the constraints. Let's create our new activity which we are going to use on button click event. I'm going to take empty activity and naming it as activity 2. We have nothing to do in our activity 2 Java file. Whatever we are going to code, that is going to return in our main activity.java file. So here our button is going to have a button ID of button and we are setting on click listener and here the main code that is going to be returned to open our new activity, that is start activity, new intent. We need this intent, that this will call our activity 2. This will take two parameters. First parameter will be your context and second parameter will be the activity that you want to call. So our first parameter is our context, that is main activity dot this, and our second parameter is the activity that we want to open. That's it, and let's run our code. Before that, I need to make some changes. So here our activity 1 and activity 2 is ready. So let's run this code. When I will run this code, our activity 1 will have a button. When I will click this button, it will open our activity 2. I'm going to add a toast message just to show you that this button is clicked. So let's run our code. So here you can see that our activity 1 has a button. When I will click this button, it will open our activity 2. So here our activity 2 is open. So in our other video, we are going to see how you can use this intent to transfer data from one page to other page on button click. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts or any problem, then you can comment below. Thank you for watching.